All right, so that was just one package of my pumpkin spice instant pudding and 2 cups of milk right inside my clear bowl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Philadelphia cream cheese that I did soften. Ooh, right in there. We're gonna actually add 2 of these. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And then just a little bit of powdered sugar, maybe like 1/4 a cup, not a lot because that pudding is already sweet. But with as much cream cheese as we're putting in here, we don't want it to be not sweet enough. So 1/4 a cup, beautiful. All right, so once we have our pudding, our milk, our cream cheese, and our powdered sugar in our bowl, we're gonna grab our electric hand mixer and we are gonna blend all of these together, these delicious flavors. And now it might look a little thin to start because that pudding does take a few minutes to thicken up, but once that pudding starts to thicken up, this is gonna be the most perfect, delicious pumpkin spice cheesecake. Yeah, you heard that right. And I did use softened cream cheese, so keep that in mind. Make sure that your cream cheese has been left out for a few hours so that it'll be easier to blend. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. Just make sure you get all of those chunks of cream cheese blended nice and smooth. All right, that looks absolutely stunning. Wow. Okay, so once we have our little pumpkin cheesecake mixture all blended together, we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my food processor because we need to make a crust for our cheesecake, right? But I am not making any average crust. I am making a chocolate graham cracker crust. What? Yeah, so let's go ahead and grab a few squares of our graham crackers and just plop them in our food processor, just like this. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, and obviously you could use whatever crust you like. You could use regular graham crackers. You could use Biscoff cookies. Honestly, I was tempted to use Biscoff cookies, but you know what? I really wanted that dark chocolate color to be a contrast with the orange to make it almost Halloween-esque. So I went with the chocolate graham crackers. You could use Oreos and that would make it really dark.
What's that texture on the front of them?
It's a little sugar.
Oh.
So that's a great thing about these ones is you don't have to add any additional sugar to your crust because it already has that sugar right on top. All right, let's go ahead and get these into crumbs. Ooh, that is dust, you guys. Let's look at that. Oh yeah, the perfect crust texture. And we're gonna go ahead and add our butter. This is 1 stick of butter, and that should be the perfect amount for our crust. So I used 1 sleeve of graham crackers and then 1 stick of melted butter for my crust. And we're just gonna put it all in the food processor. Give it a few pulses. Should mix together like perfection.
It's a good food processor.
Oh yeah, it's my KitchenAid. I love this thing. All right, now look how delicious and beautiful that looks. All right, it is time to put this together. All right, now I'm gonna grab my silicone muffin tin. This is the best for this dessert. And we're gonna get those crumbs that we made, that crust, and we're gonna add just a nice little scoop to each of these and just kind of make a little flat crust on each of our little muffin holes because we're making mini cheesecakes. Now you totally could take this recipe and make a full cheesecake, but you guys know I love my individual servings. I just love having, you know, everyone gets their own dessert, then you can customize them to your liking. Like if you do these mini ones, you could do half with the regular graham cracker crust and then half with the chocolate graham crackers. But yeah, just quickly get like about a tablespoon of that crust that we made right into each of that muffin tin holes. And I love using the silicone because guess what? We don't have to grease these at all. They will just pop out like an angel. It's so easy. I really love the silicone and I think everyone needs one for their kitchen. So just get that graham cracker crust in there. Look how it just flattens so nicely because of that butter. Beautiful. Woo, those look gorgeous. Okay, let's go ahead and grab that pumpkin. All right, look at that deliciousness. It's already thickened up a little bit. Go ahead and put it to the side. And I have an average sized ice cream scooper, and we're just gonna go ahead and scoop. Oh, it's already thickening. I'm so excited. We're gonna put a big scoop in each one of our muffin tins. Oh my, and we should have plenty of this mixture. I made sure to make more than enough because you know what? This could even be like a yummy little dip. You could make like a cheesecake dip and just dip your chocolate graham crackers right in there. But that's not what we're making today. We are making mini pumpkin cheesecakes that are gonna be incredible. Ooh, look at these coming together. I'm so happy.
You can see the little flakes of cinnamon or whatever's in there.
This pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice? Is that what's in
Yeah,
there?
it's pumpkin spice pudding, baby.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, we're almost done here. I wanna use all of this pudding mixture that I made, the pudding cheesecake, because that stuff is gold during the season.
This recipe's super inexpensive too.
Yes, I mean, it's what, pudding is like $1 nowadays, and then a couple blocks of cream cheese. Graham crackers, you probably already have graham crackers in your house. All right, now these are ready for the fridge, and they're gonna be in the fridge for 2 hours. All right, you guys, these are ready. Now, before we pop them out, I am gonna put some whipped cream on them to make them extra cute. Just a little dollop on each one. It doesn't need to be a lot. Just adds a nice little decoration to it. How cute is that?
This looks so cool.
These are smelling so good. I cannot wait to try one. Obviously, you could have smoothed them out a little bit more than I could, but I was getting antsy to get these in the fridge so that they could set and I could eat one. Oh, they're so cute.
That piping bag tip makes it look really cool.
I just want to make this one look a little bit cuter. Woo! Okay, that one got a little crazy. It's fine though. All right, now just look at this, the silicone mold. This is just gonna pop right out. Ooh. Do you see how perfect that came out?
It looks like a house I want to live in.
Let's go ahead and put it on our plate and give this a try. Oh, that cheesecake, the crust. Oh, I'm getting a big bite, you guys. Do not judge me. Oh.
Is it good?
That is so good. Oh my. You guys have to try it. It's so perfect for fall.